Enfinger's gonna get this by having the outside. The race is over. Grant Enfinger is the champion. There is no way Moffitt wins this championship with fucking Rhodes behind him on his inside and Enfinger on fresh tires on the outside. I'm so fucking mad right now. Dawson Cram, you useless motherfucker, you just cost Moffitt the title. Dawson fucking Cram. If Sam Mayer could get to the outside of Enfinger and hold him up, I'm gonna renounce everything I've ever said about Sam Mayer. He might become a driver I like if that happens. If that fucking happens. Alright, here we go. And Rhodes trying to wreck Moffitt, like I said. Yep, typical. Mayer is, oh my god. Chandler Smith on the inside! Chandler to the lead! Chandler Smith! Creed is going to the inside of Chandler now. Oh! Chandler just held up Enfinger. Creed's the champion. I fucking hate NASCAR. Enfinger in the wall. Yeah. Imagine that. Wow. Fucking wow. NASCAR sucks, guys. I fucking hate it. Fuck NASCAR. Fuck Dawson Cram, especially. Wow. Fucking wow. I'm floored. NASCAR can fuck itself. What a fucking embarrassment. Wow. Chandler screwed Enfinger. And that cunt, Sheldon Creed won. Cool. Alright. See ya.